This market review is of the Fiat CR-32 Freccia, and I doubt that I'm saying that correctly. It's a 1/48 scale model by SMER, and let's have a look and see here are the dimensions. And here we have the decal and painting guide, and that looks like a interesting, maybe challenging paint option there. Very sort of dirty in the way that it's painted. And we have our instructions in there. Let's have a look at these parts. This is obviously a SMER model, so they're older molds, and they're molded on these very large sprue parts. It's usually a lot of flashing, just like you see here, and mold lines. You can see a lot of flashing around these parts here. Here's our landing gear brace. Here's the empty sprue. Here's our tail. Looks like someone's already sanded it a little bit. We have a pilot with some very strange dimensions, very long legs. Oh, this has been started, yep. Look at that terrible molding of that propeller. Lots of little pieces here and there. Here are our wheels. These have already been glued into position. They don't turn. That does not line up very well. Here's our seats. And we have our fuselage with no real detail on the inside. Looks like we've had guns added already and lower wings. We're going to need to add some filler there. Got some fair amount of surface detail on the outside here, the rivet lines. We have our tail wheel, we have our stabilizer, and the same with the other side. Here's our gun. I need some filler there and there. We have an instrument panel with minimal detail. Here's our little windshield. I'll need to get flexed and glued into position. And our top wing. Here are our decals. Two different versions, it looks like. And we have the details about the plane. So the dimensions of the real plane. And we start off with the cockpit and the propeller, wheels going together, fuselage is glued together, wings, guns, stabilizer. Then we need the, so I guess there's the two different options there. We have some flaps, wings going on with the wing braces, struts, and then the landing gear engine goes on, and here's another version. It's the paint and decal guide. And I looked at that one already. So all in all, molding quality is not great. Decals seem to be like the best part of this model.